Because of the high death rate from war and the murderous Khmer Rouge regime, 43% of Cambodia's 13 million people are under 15 and half are under 20. So a large proportion of those who come into conflict with the law in this poor and traumatised nation are the young and very young. If a child is prosecuted, the lack of a separate juvenile justice system condemns the child to be tried in adult courts under adult laws. Some children wait many months in detention before trial. If sentenced to prison, the child will be incarcerated alongside adults, where they are at the mercy of police and prison officials who do not ensure their rights and protection, often willfully or through negligence, although sometimes because of a lack of resources. Alternative sentencing and bail are rare. Police use force and threats to get confessions, and bribery is a huge problem. The outcome for the defendant is governed by how much money they can afford to pay.
So everywhere they bribe, they make a bribe. It means when the family visit the child in prison, the guard will take some amount of money from their family to be allowed to visit the child. So this is one bribe in prison. Also the court. So the court official will request the money from our client to run the case for smoothly, for procedure. So this is we have a little big challenge with our society for corruption.
So the rich or powerful rarely go to jail, yet the poor are jailed even for minor offences. In Battambang and other Cambodian provinces, change is happening thanks to the juvenile justice lawyers at Legal Aid Cambodia. Child offenders are now receiving proper legal assistance and representation within the criminal justice system. Police, prison officials and local authorities are gaining an understanding of children's rights, laws and procedures through workshops and training sessions run by LAC.
For 60 cases here we have 2 lawyers and 1 project manager and 1 legal assistant for this. And in the whole in Battambang we provide 14 training workshop sessions. Because in Battambang we have 13 districts and 1 prison.
Many lawyers, prison officers, police, judges and prosecutors now support the creation of a children's court, a separate jurisdiction, children's prisons and appropriate sentencing laws for children. But the human rights situation in Cambodia is still appalling. Cambodia has signed international treaties, but a reliance on international aid has allowed the government to avoid its human rights obligations in many areas, in particular where young people are concerned. This reflects the wider reality in Cambodia. In the short term, there are no effective interventions without foreign aid and philanthropic organisations stepping in to ensure the basic rights of children.
So far we have seen a lot of improvement regarding to the juvenile justice in Cambodia since we have established this program or units. Before law enforcement officer or court officer, they never talk, they never care about the children's rights. But now, after we have talk and train and workshop with them, they now more we have seen that they are improve their work regarding to the children issue. Everybody talk about children rights, about UNCRC.
In the longer term, ongoing education of officials dealing with children is urgently required, as are diligent government departments, new laws, improved facilities and judicial accountability. LAC is making progress, but it needs continuing support, as do the children of Cambodia. Justice.